Hello, welcome to my website. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Chris. I'm an American who's been living here in Vietnam for 15 years. I started off as a marketing manager for a sewing factory. And then in 2017, I started working as a consultant or as a Vietnam sourcing expert. My mission is to introduce Vietnamese factories to the world. I do not work as an agent. I introduce you to as many factories as possible so that you have options. My strengths are soft goods, things like apparel, backpacks, leather accessories, but I've also visited metal, wood, electrical, and plastic manufacturers from Hanoi to Da Nang, Ho Chi Minh City, all the way down to Cà Mau. So how do we get started working together? Allow me to offer 3 options. First, please join one of my weekly webinars where I give a short presentation about 7 rookie mistakes to avoid when working in Vietnam, and then I open it up for Q&A, and I'm happy to answer as many questions as you can throw at me. The second option is hire me for a private consultation that includes 1-hour conversation plus at least 3 factory introductions. I give you their first name, last name, email, phone number, website, and Google Map link, and I guarantee that they can make your product and that they will reply to you. The third and final option is factory tours. I will pick you up at your hotel at 7:30 in the morning and take you out to visit 3 to 5 factories in a day. The price includes car, driver, translator, and lunch. When we get there, you're the star of the show. I do not get paid any commissions from factories. So after the factory tours are finished, I have no idea who you go back to work with, and my job is done. So contact me below. Please share your story and give me as much information as possible about your product and your business objectives. Also, please share with me your website, Instagram handle, TikTok channel, or your LinkedIn profile so that I can go to your website or go to your social media and learn about you before we meet online or meet in person. Thank you very much for listening. Have a great day, and remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.